अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, अब्दुल्ला टेक में खुश आमदीद। व्यूवर्स, आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि यूट्यूब कैलकुलेटर के आप कैलकुलेट हाउ मच यू कैन मेक, कि आप लोग कितना यूट्यूब से कितना अर्न कर सकते हैं। तो YouTube has been around for a while now, and it is one of the most popular social media website on the internet. Over a billion people use YouTube every month. That's a lot of people. With so many people using YouTube as their source of revenue, it is no wonder that a money calculator has been created. This tool allows you to see how much potential revenue you can generate from your videos and overall channel. If you are thinking about making money as a YouTuber, then you can then you might be wondering how much you can earn. After all, if you are going to put in the work, you want to make sure that it is worth your time. What is YouTube calculator? A YouTube calculator is a simple online tool that calculates an estimate of how much money you can earn from your YouTube channel. Calculating your potential earning from YouTube is a great way to see if it is worth your time to start a channel and being creating videos for certain niches. It can also help you set realistic expectations for the average earning you can expect. The tool below has been developed to allow you to easily calculate the estimated earnings from a YouTube video or channel, and is based on your video views, content, engagement, and various other facts. How to use the YouTube money calculator? Using a YouTube or revenue calculator is quite straightforward. All you need to do is enter some basic information about your channel and video views. From there, the calculator will do the rest of the work and give you an estimate of your potential earning.